Hello, welcome to the video for sign decimal multiplication and division. So we're going to review multiplying and dividing, but then we're going to apply our sign rules to it. So here in the first example it says multiply, and I've got 42 times negative 0.2. So I'm going to line this up like normal, and we'll come down here to get this lined up. So do 42 times negative 0.2. I'll get this multiplied out. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. There's one decimal digit, and that goes here. And then I have one negative sign. One is an odd number, so I go to odd number of negatives, and it's a negative answer. So my answer is negative 8.4. If we go to the other problem, I have negative 176.6 times negative 0.01. Oh, excuse me, that was poor. Negative 0.01 Now, if you recognize it, I've got, I simply have a power of 0.1, so I can move my decimal, I can just move my decimal left. So I've got 2 decimal digits here, so I'm going to move left 2 decimal digits. I'm going to go 2 spaces left. So I'll have 176.6, and then I go 1, 2 spaces to the left. So I have 1.766, and then I have 2 negatives. So I'll go up here. 2 is an even number, so I have an even number of negatives. It's a positive answer. So my answer is 1.766. For division, over here I have negative 5,200 or negative 522.8 divided by 1,000. This is a power of 10. So I'm going to count my zeros, so I have 3 zeros. So I need to go 3 spaces left. So I have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 5, 2, 2, 8. And I went 3 spaces left, so my decimal goes here. There was one negative. That's odd, so it's going to be a negative answer. So my answer is negative 0.5228. In the last problem, I have 3.22 divided by 7. So I'll go set up my long division. 3.22. Let's use a different color. Divided by 7. 7 is already a whole number, so I don't need to move my decimal, so I just start dividing. 7 cannot go into 3. So we get 32. 7 goes into 32 4 times to make 28. We borrow here. 12 minus 8 is 4. We drop down our 2. 7 goes into 42 6 times. Now up here, my answer was my 7 is negative, seems to be 7 here, but I have one negative again, so my answer is going to be negative. So here my answer is negative 0.46. So just remember to follow your negative and positive multiplication division sign rules.